Hi. So one of the most asked feature by Squarespace users, especially the e-commerce one, is the wishlist feature. Though there are some options available online, but none of them really work like they should. And so we built this WishlistFlow plugin, and I'm going to show you how to install, use, and what features does it offer as of now. Of course, we will be adding more and more features. So if you click here, you can see one-click wish list, so no sign up is needed. You just put your email and click submit, and it's saved. You can also have guest wish list, which does not really need any email as well. You can change the button placement and label. You can. It also works with the Squarespace default checkout, and yeah, I can use my email that I put while saving the wish list, and I can access my wish list anywhere or any device, and it will just sync perfectly. All right, and of course, I can turn my wish list. The wish list can be turned into more and more sales because once people share your wish list and people purchase it for other people, the products, so you get more sales. And upcoming, we have some price drop alerts. So whenever the price of a product is dropped, those who have those products in wish list will receive an email and telling them that they can purchase a product. Of course, back in stock alerts, when the product is back into stock, we will email them a reminder that you have this product in, of course, your wish list, and now you can purchase it since it's back in stock. All right, so first thing first is how to install. So you're gonna have to sign up. I have already done. So this is how it will appear in front of you once you sign up. And of course, there will not be any website here. I've added a few websites, but you can go ahead and click on new website. And now we need to connect with our plugin. So via Squarespace APIs, we can find and select our website, and which I have already connected. All right. Once I have connected my website, I can go ahead and work with different options and features that we have. You're here, you will see start 14 days trial button, which I already clicked and started my trial. I just need to do is to click here and open the code injection and paste my code here and just save. All right, so we have installed the plugin. Now let's see how it works. If you see, we can find the heart icons on the products, and we can also add to the wish list via the button. So for example, I want to add this to wish list, and does adds it for me. And what I can do is to save my wish list. Maybe I want to save it for later, save it to share with my friends, following, or family. What I can do is I can put my email address, okay, and press submit, and it's saved for me. And I can share via WhatsApp, email, or via link. So I can put this link in my maybe Instagram chat or Instagram post or Facebook or anywhere. So let's see what will appear in front of people when they see the link. All right. So that's what people will be seeing when you share your wish list with people. So they will see the item that you have in wish list, and they can purchase the item for you, or they can start their own wish list. Let's see these options that we have here. First is if I want to show the wish list on particular products only. So what I can do is I can turn this on. This will fetch all my products, and I can choose to maybe unselect a few, or maybe just select a few, and this will only work on those products. Okay, let's see. And now if I only want to get wish lists and don't want to get orders just yet, I can turn off the checkout, which I don't want to. I can hide the prices as well, which I don't want to. This is the position of the wishlist button. So currently it's under the add to cart, and I like it that way. Also on the product page. So the product page is the product detail page. Also here, it's fine. You can change the label, so it's saved to favorites. I can change it to wish list or anything like that. Wishlist icon is already in the header. That's where I want it to be. Well, we can change it to be in screen bottom, screen right. Of course, you can play with these options. And of course, the color. So these colors are perfectly matching my branding. You can change them for your own branding. And once you're done, you can just press save. And upon refreshing, you will, of course, see the changes that you have made. So you see now it's only working for those products that I have chosen, and it's not working for the other products. Okay, so whenever a new wishlist is created, you receive these kind of notifications. One is for the store owner, which says a new wishlist has been created. It includes the email address and the item that they have in the wishlist. And of course, you can see your wish lists here. So it shows all of my wish lists that users have created, and I can export this wish list for my data purposes or for record, or I can reach out to these people as well for reminding them about the items that have they have in their wish list. And also, since I have created my wish list, I will also receive this email which says that my wish list has been saved. And of course, as a customer, I can share it with, like I mentioned before, friends, family, and following. Yeah. All right. And we can also see the trends of the top products. What it means is which product has the most, favorites. So this has been saved 2 times. This is the most favorite one, and these have one saves or one favorite each.